Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in HTC U11 Live. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, I'll always start from checking the notification mode icon. There is it, that check. Now check that you have this feature activated. Sometimes you can just enable it by misclick and just forget about that, so just remember about that. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and open up info. Of course, we're gonna start from the app notifications, check that you have this switcher activated. After that, go to the additional settings. Then remember to check the high priority notifications here and here. You have to activate this feature. Then go to the next step, and it's data usage. So now just check that you have activated the background data and unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, let's go to the WhatsApp, make the backup of your messages and open the storage in the app info. Then let's clear the data of the WhatsApp app. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your alerts again. In the next step, you can also try to reset your network settings. So open the settings, go to the system and choose reset. Then select the network settings, tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. And the last step, try to upgrade the system, so you have to open the system update. If you haven't, just install it and check for your WhatsApp again. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.